skills that will serve you well in every path ahead. Today's accomplishment belongs to you, our graduates, but no one reaches this moment alone. So now, to the people who helped make this possible, to the parents, families, mentors, teachers, and friends, thank you. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for your sacrifice, patience, and support that you have provided throughout this journey. You are an essential part of their success, and we are very grateful to all of you. At NC State, we often speak about think and do. Mathematics embodies this spirit in a profound way, as it helps us understand the world, discover patterns, solve problems, and imagine entirely new possibilities. It is both timeless and constantly evolving. The work that you have done here prepares you not only to contribute to existing fields, but to help shape the future. Our speaker today is a wonderful example of how the spirit of think and do can lead to meaningful and innovative work beyond the classroom. It is my great pleasure to introduce our commencement speaker, Emily Gordon. Emily is an accomplished graduate of NC State with a degree in applied math and a Master of Science in Global Innovation Management. Emily serves as the Senior Program Manager at SAS Institute in Cary, where she leads identity and access engineering initiatives that address complex, high-impact technology challenges. Emily stays engaged in professional service endeavors that support exceptional education and opportunity for students. She is passionate about mentorship, and she's currently serving on the College of Sciences Foundation Board of Directors. Emily grew up in a proud family of alumni, spanning mathematics, textiles, computer science, stats, and engineering, to name a few. She is, and always will be, proud to be a part of the Wolf Pack. Please join me in welcoming Emily Gordon.
Good afternoon, and thank you for letting me speak to you here today on such a momentous occasion for you. This is my fourth time at this event, the NC State Mathematics graduation. The previous three being my own graduation, my brother's, and speaking one time before, I think in 2015. Each time I've been to this event, it's been a distinct moment in my life, as I'm sure today you'll look back and it'll be a distinct moment in yours. The last time I spoke in 2015 and at my brother's graduation, I was celebrating with everyone and also thinking to myself proudly, okay, maybe I made it. I'm an example of a successful adult. And I remember back to my own graduation, which was a little bit different. I was excited about the future, but I also felt uncertainty and anxiety about entering the real world and leaving the comfort of NC State. It was 2009, which was in the middle of a recession, not dissimilar to the complex and stressful political and economic environment of today. The speaker at my graduation acknowledged that and the difficult job market at the time. He said we might have to start our working life working in the mailroom, which was a dated statement then and may not even make sense to the young group here today. But furthermore, he was wrong. We weren't going to have to start in the mailroom. We were a room full of people ready and equipped to solve complex problems, which is always a marketable skill. The degree you all have earned today has equipped you to solve problems in an ever-changing world, and we need people to solve complex problems more than ever. Your entering the real world at a moment of uncertainty and a lot of discourse around artificial intelligence, AI. And I'm sure that brings you all a mix of excitement, anxiety, maybe even annoyance. But I want to reassure you that you are very well equipped to meet this moment. I'd like to mention something the Dean of the College of Sciences, Lewis Owen, said recently, and I'm paraphrasing from my memory. The world has so many complex problems. We should use AI to help us solve them instead of letting it just create more problems. While that was a wise and very serious point, it reminds me of a favorite quote I've seen recently, which is, I don't want AI to make art for me so I have time to do the laundry. I want AI to do the laundry so I have time to do art. I relate to that sentiment very much. My entire career really has been at SAS Institute. Hopefully you know of SAS. I think many of you have gone to classes in SAS Hall here on campus. Our Chief Technology Officer, Brian Harris, recently spoke about AI at our SAS Innovate conference. And he shared that while AI is all everyone talks about, we need to remind ourselves that humans matter more than technology. And he encouraged the leaders listening to him in the room to lead with that attitude. He also made a practical point, which is that humans are still at the core of what we do and why we do it at SAS, and that's also true here at NC State. He made some good points differentiating AI from humans. AI can respond to a question, but humans can show understanding. Humans can relate, make someone feel seen. For example, I ask an AI assistant in the morning, what's the weather today? And a while back it responded, today is a beautiful sunny day with a high of 45. But it didn't understand me, and that I don't think any day where the high is only 45 is beautiful. AI can produce answers that sound confident and polished, but it can still be wrong. It can hallucinate, it can repeat a commonly cited error, amplify a familiar rumor. But humans can provide judgment and certainty in their answers. And on this point especially, I think who better to provide certainty and good discernment than mathematicians? Who better than you, the people in this room graduating today? With your ability to understand and solve complex problems, you will go on to help do that with the companies and communities that have problems that need to be solved. I'm confident you'll go on to do great things. Some of you may continue in academia, doing research ethically, interpreting data with human understanding and care, when your work especially impacts people's health, the ecosystems around us, and the world we all share together. Some of you will help companies develop technology to create better medicines, devices, and products. Some of you may even develop algorithms that go into AI and AI tools that better our society and our minds. And some of you will analyze global financial markets, helping to create stability and prosperity. I do look forward to seeing what all of you here today will accomplish. NC State has helped prepare you well, and you are now a part of the NC State community for life. And in moments of uncertainty, whether that's 30 seconds from now or 30 years from now, you can come back to NC State and stay connected to this network. Lean on each other. Staying connected for me means serving, and that's something it may mean for you. Service to communities and causes you care about can be deeply fulfilling and a great way to find purpose, meaning, and direction. It can definitely re-energize your life or your career. Coming back and serving at NC State always fills me with so much excitement. I always learn and meet amazing people every time I'm here, like all of you today. Thank you so much for having me at this occasion. I truly wish you all the best and encourage you to stay connected to NC State. Thank you.
proud to be here to be celebrating with you. Each and every one of you has worked incredibly hard to get here in this moment, and we are very proud of you. As I was looking over the list of graduating math majors, I'm trying to count how many times our paths have crossed, whether I taught you, or I advised you, or we've done some sort of campus events. Yeah, I lost count of how many. It has been a privilege to know all of you. I am grateful, personally grateful for the time we've shared together and for the trust you placed in us in the math department. Choosing a math major wasn't the easy path, as it was said before. I know there were nights when you were staring at a problem that wouldn't give away, or moments where you honestly wonder if you were cut out for this. Thinking of those moments, I can't help but remember about the famous mathematician, Richard Hamming, kind of a math for the real world kind of guy, who back in the 40s created a way for machines to correct themselves, the famous Hamming codes. He wasn't just interested in abstract beauty, he wanted math to actually do something. He used to say that the missteps of the past are the foundation of the future. You've all lived that here. Every misstep, every proof that didn't work, or logic that took the wrong turn, or that troubled horse, we know which one, was just the foundation for what you know now. You stay with the work until the logic finally clicked. You develop the skill to see multiple paths to a solutions, even when the first one failed. I'd like to share a quote from Thich Nhat Hanh, a Vietnamese Zen master whose work on mindfulness has inspired many, including me. He once said, "We have more possibilities available in each moment than we realize." Just as in mathematics, the future isn't a straight line. It's a series of branching possibilities, each filled with more potential than we may initially see. Every decision you make, every challenge you face holds options that aren't immediately obvious. The work you've done so far has hopefully prepared you to recognize and pursue those possibilities. As you step into this next chapter of your life, I encourage you to carry this mindset forward. Approach the future as you've approached your studies with curiosity, openness, and confidence in the many, many paths ahead. We hope your time here has given you the tools to succeed, no matter which direction you take, and to realize your full potentials. I am going to move now to the moment that you're all waiting for, and I'm going to ask our lovely Marshall to, so the students who are graduating with the bachelor's degree in math and applied math, please follow our lovely Marshall, Inez, and while she sets this all up, I want to personally thank Inez Lyons, our Marshall, who has been absolutely exceptional in organizing this event today with the help of a lot of our staff. Deidre Hartley, Andrea Hayes Penix, Andrea Hawk, Brandy Hughes, Alan Forge, Patrick Roberts, Bethany Shea, Kim Turney, Susan Wheat, and again, Inez. So thank you to all our staff. I'm going to start by calling out names of the students who are graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics, starting with Mae Burns from Emerald Isle, North Carolina. Mae is actually graduating with a financial math concentration, a minor in statistics, magna cum laude. A big smile. Next we have Rohit Farna from Apex, North Carolina. Robert is graduating today, magna cum laude. Congratulations. Justin Florence from Durham, North Carolina. Justin is graduating cum laude today. Congratulations. Diana Laura Gomez from Wilmington, North Carolina. Diana completed a financial mathematics concentration Evan is also completing a minor in statistics, summa cum laude, and actually the first of our students graduating with a concentration in data science. So, congratulations, Evan. Sophia Kuderi from Cary, North Carolina. Sophia is graduating also with a Bachelor of Science in Physics in addition to applied math, a minor in economics, and cum laude. Ryan Leanne May from Kernersville, North Carolina. Ryan is also completing a minor in statistics today.
Yes, Ryan!
Walker McDonald from Cary, North Carolina. Walker is completing his applied math degree with a financial mathematics concentration, but also a Bachelor of Science in Economics and magna cum laude. Austin Hunter Medlin from Wake Forest, North Carolina. Austin has completed the financial mathematics concentration of the applied math degree, minors in statistics and economics, and a big group. Thanks. Next, we have John Miller from Newton, North Carolina. So, John is completing the applied math degree, but also a Bachelor of Science in Biological Sciences with a concentration in molecular, cellular, and developmental biology, minor in Chinese studies. Say a little bit. Summa cum laude. He also completed the University Honors Program and the Mathematics Honors Program. John has done an amazing job here. He is actually the departmental winner for the Senior Award for Outstanding Scholarship. And yesterday, the college awarded him the same award, so he's the winner for the college. He received the NSF Graduate Fellowship. Moving on to grad school and doing amazing things, so we're very proud of him. Next, we have Mason Petronzio from Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Mason is also graduating with a financial mathematics concentration with 2 minors in statistics and economics, and completing all this magna cum laude. Congratulations, Mason. Next, we have Megan Rose Starkey from Monroe, North Carolina. And Megan has 2 minors, a little surprising, in criminology and statistics, graduating summa cum laude, and she also completed the University Honors Program. Congratulations, Megan. Benjamin Santensui from Mooresville, North Carolina. Benjamin is completing minors, also completing minors in computer programming and statistics, University Honors Program, and then all this summa cum laude. Next, I'm going to invite the students who are completing the Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, starting with Nishan Ajisaria from Mumbai, India. So Nishan is also completing the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, completed the University Honors Program, and also the Mathematics Honors Program, all magna cum laude. Congratulations. Karthik L. from Morrisville, North Carolina. Karthik is also completing the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, summa cum laude. Next, we have Renee Aban Ashu from Burlington, North Carolina, and they have to see Ashu here. Yes, indeed. I don't know what you said, but I know he had a very interesting path, and I'm very proud of Ashu today. Next, we have Jalen Jacob Bellamy from Fayetteville, North Carolina. Congratulations, Jalen. Next, we have Jennifer Wanshun Brand from San Antonio, Texas. Jennifer is also completing minors in military studies, naval sciences, and graduating magna cum laude. Next, we have have Joseph Matthew DeCervo from Sanford, North Carolina. Congratulations, Joe. Zachary Dubinsky from Gastonia, North Carolina. Zachary is completing not only the applied math degree, Bachelor of Science, but also the Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering with concentration in nanoscience. And graduating cum laude. Congratulations, Zachary. Next we have Marina Eisenogel. Eisenogel, thank you. I'm learning something new today. From Albemarle, North Carolina. And Marina is also completing a minor in physics. Next on my list is Quinn Jabot from Raleigh, North Carolina, which I don't believe Quinn is here. Charlie Hernandez from Dobson, North Carolina. Charlie is graduating cum laude with a second major in mathematics education. Congratulations, Charlie. Omi Jane from Cary, North Carolina. Omi is completing her applied math degree and the Bachelor of Science in Statistics magna cum laude today. Congratulations, Omi. Noah Evans Leonard from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Noah is also completing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and a Bachelor of Science in Physics with concentration in interdisciplinary physics, summa cum laude, and also University Honors Program. Next we have Han-Wei Lee from Lanzhou, China, which I believe is not here. And then Nico Hendricks Makayo from Greensboro, North Carolina. Sorry to miss them. And Mason McElroy from Huntersville, North Carolina. Mason has a second degree in computer science, also completing the mathematics honors program, and graduating summa cum laude. Next student is Rasul Memon from Morrisville, North Carolina. Rasul is also completing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, summa cum laude. Thank you. Wait. Next, we have Hagway Mochain from Cary, North Carolina, which you're not Hagway. We have Adelaide Nebecker from Arlington, Virginia. All right, and don't go until I'm done talking. So Adelaide is completing the mathematics honors program, summa cum laude. She received several awards, Kelly Simon Travel Awards, and she is also the winner, the departmental winner for 3 senior awards. One award is for transfer student. She came here from a complete different degree and then managed to wrap up and complete the math degree pretty fast and furious. She also got the senior award for outstanding community engagement and the senior award for outstanding resilience. And then yesterday she was awarded the College of Science senior award for outstanding transfer students. So congratulations. William James Newman from Charlotte, North Carolina, who couldn't be here. Ryan O'Connor from Concord, North Carolina, couldn't be here today. But then we do have Emma Ogden from Wake Forest, North Carolina.
That's my sister!
Emma is graduating magna cum laude with a second degree in mathematics education Department of Energy Computational Science Graduate Fellowship, just handy to go into grad school, and we're very proud of you, Noah. Congratulations. Next, we have Benjamin Hutchinson Smith, also known as Hutch. I'm sorry, I'm going to say his name. From Newburgh, North Carolina. Hutch is graduating with the from the Mathematics Honors Program, magna cum laude, and we've been very happy to have him in the math program. Chinmay Talikoti from Cary, North Carolina. Chinmay is graduating with a second degree in Bachelor of Science in Economics, summa cum laude, with a minor in English. We have John Miles from Raleigh, North Carolina. John is graduating summa cum laude. He completed the Math Honors Program and a minor in Computer Programming. I just have a few more things to say and then I'm done. So, before I close, I want to offer my heartfelt congratulations to all of you. Your journey through this program has been impressive, and I'm really excited to see where you're going, where life takes you next, and I'm actually honored to have been part of your journey. As you move forward, remember to not settle for less than your full potential. Be professional, share the joy of mathematics, but also strive for kindness. Be kind to those around you, your family, friends, colleagues, and probably even more importantly, strangers. Also, don't forget to take care of yourselves. You've worked tirelessly to reach up this moment, and it's just important to pause, reflect, and make time for what truly matters. Your well-being, your relationships, and your passions are what will sustain you in the years to come. Now, one final heartfelt round of applause for our graduates and the family and friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Tao Pang. I'm the director of the Financial Mathematics program and a professor of mathematics at NC State University. So it's a great honor to be here today to celebrate the accomplishment of our 4 students who will be earning the Master of Financial Mathematics degree this semester. So first, I would like to take this opportunity to briefly introduce the program. So the Financial Mathematics program is an interdisciplinary program that offers a Master of Financial Mathematics degree, which is a professional science master degree. Our primary goal is to place the students for careers in the industry, and we are proud to have maintained a 100% placement over the past 7 years. So our program ranking has been very strong. So we have recent ranking number 5 by risk.net and number 9 by quant.net. Okay. So students typically complete 36 credit hours of coursework over the course of 3 semesters to earn the degree. Although there's no thesis requirement, they must complete several substantial projects as well as a summer internship or summer projects. So I often tell our students that if they are still able to enjoy their weekends and holidays, something is wrong. Okay, so yes, they endure my torture. So it's an intensive program, and I'm pleased to see that all 4 students in the spring 2026 cohort successfully survived. I would also like to take this opportunity to extend a heartfelt thank you to parents, families, significant others, and friends of our students. Your constant support and love have played a vital role in their success. So without your encouragement, they could not have been able to reach this significant milestone. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the faculty and the staff, as well as to the outstanding leadership of our department. Their dedication dedication and hard work have been instrumental in supporting and strengthening the financial mathematics program. Okay, so now I would like to ask our students to stand by and to work with your names. So I'm also glad to see that so many students are earning their bachelor degree here today. And I also know that a few of you may have the financial math concentration. No matter you have a financial math concentration or other concentration, you are always welcome to consider our program. Okay. So if you are interested in pursuing master's degree in financial math, feel free to reach out to me. All right. So first we have Christine Catherine Ipley from Denver, North Carolina. So her career goal is to work in financial analytics and also travel the world. Next we have Brooke Jordan King from Elon, North Carolina. So his career goal is to work as an actuary in property and casualty insurance. Last I like to mention that both Christine and Brooke earning their degrees through this accelerated venture master program. Also earning their bachelor degree last year, actually, right here in this room. Next, I have Adarsh Rodagopal from Charlotte, North Carolina. Adarsh will work in the risk management. Next, we have Eric Wong from Knoxville, Tennessee. So he did so well in our program, even Duke University wants to ask him to manage their money. So he's going to be manager the endowment at the Duke University. Okay, so a few words to our graduates. So students, congratulations on earning your master's degree in financial mathematics. You are now graduates of one of the top programs in the field, and you should be proud of all you have accomplished. So this degree reflects not only the hard work you have invested during your time at NC State, but also mark the beginning of the new opportunities and success in your professional journey. So as you leave NC State, please know that you are not truly leavers. So whether you're heading into industry or continue your academic journey in a PhD program, my best wishes will always be with you. Okay. Congratulations on earning your master's degree of financial mathematics. Now I welcome Dr. Masur Hidra, the director of the Foundation of Data Science Grant Program and the director of Biomathematics program.
Thank you, Tom, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mansoor Haider. I'm a professor in the Department of Mathematics and also direct our Foundations of Data Science Master's Program. So let me tell you first a bit about the program. We're just a few years old. We launched with our first set of students in fall 2023. The graduate program, Foundations of Data Science, is a partnership between the Departments of Mathematics, Statistics, and Computer Science, spanning the College of Sciences and the College of Engineering. You can pursue our degree full-time, part-time, on campus, online, and there's 3 available concentrations in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. The students receiving their degrees today represent our 4th group of graduates. To our spring 2026 FDS graduates, congratulations on your countless hours of hard work, your passion, and your persistence in making it to our celebration here today. You faced head-on the challenges of mastering mathematical, statistical, computational, machine learning, and artificial intelligence methods and algorithms. This required you to nimbly navigate 3 departments across 2 colleges, 2 campuses, and through a mix of in-person and virtual learning and collaboration. Along the way, you also integrated and applied your knowledge to solve applied problems in data science, machine learning, and AI. This included developing models for federated machine learning applied to ER patient data that ensure patient privacy, for automated image-based disease detection in diabetic wound healing, and for sports analytics applied to data from the NHL and professional tennis. It has been both an honor and a pleasure to work with all of you and to watch you grow and succeed. For many of you, this was your first experience in a new country and a new system, and within a field of study that is evolving at a breakneck pace. Congratulations on all that you've achieved here at NC State. So we're now ready to award our Masters in Foundations of Data Science degree to our spring 2026 graduates. Our first graduate is Shravani Ajay Gohani from RB, India. Shravani graduated with a computer science concentration. While in the program, she also served as a data analyst for a nutrition education and behavior extension program in our College of Agriculture and Life Science. Our next graduate is Shravani Latu, 2 A's versus 1 A in the name, from Pune, India. Shravani is also graduating with our computer science concentration. She recently completed a project developing a Python package for real-time American Sign Language recognition using her own networks. She demoed it to me, very, very cool. Our next graduate is Gaurav Nilesh Mehta from Mumbai, India. Gaurav is also graduating with our computer science concentration. Along the way, Gaurav pursued machine learning and AI projects in practical applications of large language models. We also have one FDS graduate that was not able to attend our ceremony today that I'd like to acknowledge. That is Emily Gerals from Durham, North Carolina. Em is graduating with our statistics concentration, and she completed her degree part-time via distance ed, all the while working as a software engineer at Fulcrum. Congratulations, Em. So in closing, I'd like to also acknowledge the support of, our program would not be possible without support from our excellent instructors across our 3 partner departments, mathematics, statistics, and computer science. Our wonderful FDS program specialist, Susan Wee, who is here somewhere. There's Susan. Thank you, Susan. Dean Peter Harries, Associate Dean Pierre Dermode, and Ashley Chilton in the graduate school. We're administered out of the graduate school. And the heads of our 3 partner departments, Dr. Kim Sellers in statistics, Dr. Joe Juriskas in computer science, and Dr. Lena Churchuk and Dr. Lorena Boccio in mathematics. We appreciate your excellent sustained support of our new graduate program. Lastly, I'd like to also acknowledge the parents, spouses, significant others, family members, and others in your networks that supported our graduates of FDS along the way. Thank you. And once again, congratulations to our spring 2026 Foundations of Data Science graduates. This is not the last you'll hear from me. I will be in touch with you. You stay in touch with me and with the program. And I would now like to call on Dr. Vachko Bakalov, who will give out degrees, graduate degrees in mathematics and applied mathematics. Yeah. Sorry, premature glitch. Okay, so I'm also currently the interim director of the Biomathematics graduate program, and we're going to do that now before math and applied math. My apologies there. So I have another speech. So like I said, you can see from the program, I'm the interim director of our Biomathematics graduate program, and I'll tell you a bit about that first. Biomathematics at NC State is an interdisciplinary graduate program housed in the mathematics department. The mission of our program is to train the next generation of researchers and professionals at the interface of the mathematical and biological sciences. NC State provides a rich and vibrant community for achieving and sustaining this mission. Students in our graduate program are taught, trained, and mentored by faculty across mathematics, statistics, the life sciences, environmental sciences, engineering, and veterinary medicine. The Biomathematics graduate program at NC State has a sustained record of excellence. This includes alumni going on to successful careers in academia, in industries like pharma, at national labs, and government agencies. Biomath students have a sustained record of winning National Science Foundation graduate research fellowships, and several of our alumni have won prestigious awards, such as the NSF Career Awards and American Heart Association postdoctoral fellowships. In today's ceremony, we're celebrating achievements of one spring 2026 graduate, and I would ask her to come up now, and that is Joan Brooks. Okay, so let me say a bit about you first, okay? No, just 1 second here. All right. So, Jonah hails from Harper's Island, North Carolina. She completed the bulk of her research at CMAS, which stands for the Center for Marine Sciences and Technology along the NC coast in Morehead City. Jonah's thesis advisors are Dr. Jay Cow and Dr. Jeff Buckle, who have appointments at both CMAS and in NC State's Department of Applied Ecology. Ready for this one? Jonah's doctoral dissertation title is Developing a Tag-Integrated State-Space Model to Estimate Seasonal Population Dynamics and Episodic Natural Mortality in Spotted Sea Trout. Very impressive. During her time in our program, Jonna was a NOAA Sea Grant Population Dynamics Fellow and the 2025 recipient of the American Fisheries Society Berkeley Fellowship Award. Jonna is in the latter stages of interviewing for an opportunity at NOAA, and again, that stands for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. I'd ask Jonna to come up now, and she's accompanied by her advisor, Dr. Jay Cow, who will read the piece. Who will hand out the graduate degrees in mathematics and applied mathematics.
Thank you, Masur. Hello, everyone. I'm Boško Bakalov. I'm the director of the graduate programs in mathematics and applied mathematics. And today it's my privilege to present the master's and doctoral degrees. First, I'd like to take a moment to recognize and thank everyone who has contributed to the success of our graduates. Completing an advanced degree is never a solo journey. It requires the guidance of faculty, instructors, and research advisors, the dedication of staff, ensuring that deadlines are met, the unwavering emotional support of family and friends, and the camaraderie of fellow graduate students who collaborate and commiserate with each other. To our master's graduates, you have demonstrated not only mastery of mathematical techniques, but also of the mathematical mindset, curiosity, precision, and resilience. Your ability to think critically, reason logically, and approach problems analytically is more important than ever in today's world. To our PhD graduates, earning a doctorate is an extraordinary achievement, and completing one in math or applied math is uniquely challenging. Most of the time you face uncertainty. You read, you think, you try something, run a simulation, and still have no idea if it will work. Weeks of effort may yield nothing but the list of failed ideas, or the realization that your conjecture you're trying to prove is false. Yet we persist for those rare magical moments when it all comes together, when you glimpse something profound and truly understand a small piece of the mathematical universe. Graduates, you've endured challenges, mastered multiple areas of mathematics, and balanced the demands of graduate school with personal responsibilities. You've confronted your doubts and persevered. showing exceptional determination and resilience. The world you're entering is filled with challenges and opportunities. Today, data drives critical decisions, algorithms shape industries, and sophisticated models govern an ever-expanding range of applications. Your skills and expertise position you at the very forefront of these transformative innovations. With this power comes responsibility. Let your work be guided by purpose. Use math not just to solve problems, but to ask the important questions. Along the way, celebrate the small victories and know that math is as much about the process as it is about the answers. It fills me with joy to see the impressive careers that our graduates are embarking on. From winning the prestigious John von Neumann Fellowship at Sandia National Labs, to getting postdoctoral positions in places like Louisiana and Dortmund, Germany. They're all making us proud. Please stay in touch and tell us about your new adventures. Congratulations, graduates. Best of luck for the future, and remember, if you've survived graduate school in math, you can handle anything. Now I'd like to call the master's graduates in mathematics. And we have only 2 who are walking, but a few more names to read. First is Jeffrey Charles Venable Jr. from Raleigh, North Carolina, earning a master's degree in mathematics. Next, Nicholas Brock from Dayton, Tennessee, earning a master's degree in mathematics. Congratulations. We also have a few students who are earning an en route master's degree en route to their PhD, and they're not present today, but I will read their names. And in the meantime, please, the PhD graduates to line up. Bobby Jarrow from Kiserian, Kenya, earning a master's in mathematics. Ethan Botello from Raleigh, North Carolina, earning a master's in mathematics. Rachel Niebler from Bethesda, Maryland, earning a master's in mathematics. Rebecca Victor from Bluffton, Indiana, again a master's in mathematics. And Hayden Outlaw from Boulder, Colorado, earning a master's in applied mathematics. Ryan Rinaldo from Acworth, Georgia, earning a master's in applied mathematics. Ping Yao Feng from Chengdu, China, earning a master's in applied mathematics. Congratulations, all master's graduates. And now I will announce the PhD graduates in mathematics. Jack River from Colchester, Connecticut. His advisor is Dr. Andy Sageman Curtis, who will put the candidate. Jack's dissertation title is A Combinatorial Model for Explicit Solutions to the Integrable Cross-Ratio Map. And Jack is going to be a software engineer at the Line Technology. Congratulations. Next, earning a PhD in mathematics is Daniel Profili from Marietta, Georgia. His advisor is Dr. Kun Tom, candidate, and Daniel's dissertation was conditions for eigenvalue configurations of 2 real symmetric matrices. Okay, it's not an easy task. Mathematics is Matthew Broussard from Lookout Mountain, Georgia. He's advised by Dr. Lorena Bocciu, who will put him. Okay, now I have a difficult task myself to read the dissertation title. Analysis and optimal control of multi-rule interface coupling of proclasticity and learned hydraulic systems. You can imagine how much harder it is to write the thesis. And Matthew is going to be a postdoc at the Technical University Dortmund, Germany. Next, earning a PhD in applied mathematics is Madhusudan Madhavan from Cary, North Carolina. His advisor is just two advisors, Alan Alexandrian and Arvind Sai Baba. And I don't know who's gonna do the coding. Madhu's dissertation title was Fast Algorithms for Optimal Data Acquisition in PD Constraint Utilization Problems. And Madhusudan is going to be postdoctoral fellow at India National Labs, and he won the prestigious John von Neumann Fellowship. Next, earning a PhD in mathematics is Evangelia Taka from Kozani, Greece. The advisors are Dr. Lorena Bocciu and Dr. Kai Nguyen. The title of her dissertation is Scalar Balance Laws with Singular Non-Local Sources. Congratulations, Evan. Next, getting a PhD in mathematics is Diego Cornejo from Lima, Peru. His advisor is Dr. Patrick Corbett, who cannot be here, so Dr. Bocciu will do the coding. Diego's title is Resolvent and Proximal Compositions, Theory and Applications. Next, getting a PhD in mathematics is Yiling Wang from Wuhan, China. Her advisor is Dr. Kailash Mitra, who cannot be here. Yiling's dissertation title is Multipartite State-Independent Uncertainty Relations. And she's going to be a postdoc at South China University of Technology. Next, earning a PhD in mathematics is Rishad Aryan from Tucson, Arizona. Their advisor is Dr. Andrew Mania, and the title of their dissertation is Diagrammatic Equivalences and Horizontal Compositions in Non-Semi-Simple Extended TQFTs. You can stay there. There is one more student of Dr. Mannion graduating with a PhD in mathematics, Elijah Rutter from Metuchen, New Jersey. And this dissertation title is Asymmetric Monoidal Froman-Nikas TQFT for Structured Manifolds. Francisco Pons Carrion from Quito, Ecuador. The title of Francisco's thesis is combinatorial problems in applied algebraic geometry. And he's going to be a postdoc at the Worcester Polytechnic Institute. Okay, Dr. Sullivan has practice hoodie. In mathematics is Alexander Betts from Stony Brook, New York. And the final is Dr. Corey Jones, who cannot be here today. Alex's dissertation title is Actions of Fusion Categories and Algebras. And he's going to be a postdoc at Louisiana State University. Next, with a PhD in mathematics is Ian Klein from Edwardsville, Illinois. His advisor is Dr. Laura Colmenarejo, who is not here today. So Dr. Butcher will do the hoodie. Ian's title of the dissertation was The Tautochromatic Quasi-Symmetric Functions. We have one more student getting a PhD in applied mathematics who is not here today, John Nicholas Newberger from Flagstaff, Arizona. His advisor is Dr. Alan Alexanderian, and the dissertation of his title is Goal-Oriented Optimal Data Acquisition at Path OED for Infinite Dimensional Bayesian Inverse Problems Governed by PDs. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations once again to the graduating class of 2026. You are and always will be part of the Math Wolfpack. Today marks both an ending and a beginning. As you leave our department, I hope you carry with you not only knowledge, but also the confidence in your ability to learn, adapt, collaborate, and lead. The world needs thoughtful people who can reason carefully, communicate clearly, and approach challenges with integrity and curiosity. We are very proud of you, grateful for the time you spent with us, and very excited to see what comes next. If all our graduates would please rise one more time. Clearly, your families and friends are waiting to celebrate your accomplishments, but there is one final step before we say goodbye. Undergraduates only. You may now move your tassel from right to left. Congratulations once again to our spring graduates. Please follow your marshals to the reception area. Family and friends, once our graduates have recessed, please join us for refreshments in room 8. You are welcome to come back here and take photos in the auditorium afterwards. Thank you.